Hello and welcome to today's class. So today we'll be dealing on logarithmic differentiation. But before we start solving, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button now. You can as well like and share this video in order to help the video to be favored by the YouTube algorithm. Now take note of this. If y equals log x and you are asked to find the y all over the x, if you differentiate log x with respect to x, it will give you 1 all over x. Same thing applies to ln x. If you differentiate the y all over the x, it would give you, now if you differentiate ln x, it would give you 1 all over x. Example 1. If y equals log 3x, we will be using chain rule to solve this problem. Now, chain rule formulas is this: dy all over dx equals dy all over du multiplied by du all over dx. We have y already. So what is u? U should be what is inside the bracket. So u equals 3x. Now, du all over dx equals, if you differentiate 3x with respect to x, it would give you 3. Since y equals log 3x and u equals 3x, therefore y equals log u. Now, dy all over du equals, if you differentiate log u with respect to u, it would give you 1 all over u. Remember, if you differentiate log x with respect to x, it would give you 1 all over x. Therefore, if you differentiate log u with respect to u, it would give you 1 all over u. Now let's apply the chain rule formula. Dy all over dx equals dy all over du multiplied by du all over dx. Now let's substitute into the equation. So we have dy all over dx equals, dy all over du is 1 all over u from our calculation, multiplied by du all over dx is 3. Therefore, dy all over dx equals 1 all over u multiplied by 3 gives us 3 all over u. But u equals 3x. Now let's substitute the value of u into this. We have dy all over dx equals 3 all over 3x. 3 cancels 3, so we are left with 1 all over x. Now let's take another example. Example 2. If y equals log 2x raised to power 4 plus 3x raised to power 2, and we are asked to find dy all over dx. Now let's identify our u. U is the term in bracket, so u equals 2x raised to power 4 plus 3x raised to power 2. Therefore, du all over dx equals, if you differentiate 2x raised to power 4 with respect to x, it would give you 8x raised to power 3. Remember, you multiply 2x by the power and then subtract 1 from the power. Plus, if you differentiate 3x raised to power 2, it would give you 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now let's factorize. We have 2 can divide both values. So we have 2. We have x here and we have x here. So it's common. We have x. Open bracket. 2 into 8, we are left with 4. X into this, we are left with x raised to power 2 plus 2x into 6x. We are left with 3, close bracket. Now, since y equals log of 2x raised to the power 4 plus 3x raised to the power 2 and u equals 2x raised to the power 4 plus 3x raised to the power 2. Therefore, y equals log u. Now, dy all over du equals, if you differentiate log u with respect to u, it will give you 1 all over u. Now, let's apply the chain rule formula, which is dy all over dx equals dy all over du multiplied by du all over dx. Now, let's substitute the calculated parameters. We have dy all over du gave us 1 all over u multiplied by du all over dx gave us 2x open bracket 4x raised to the power 2 plus 3. So if you multiply through, you would have 2x open bracket 4x raised to the power 2 plus 3 close bracket all over u. But u equals 2x raised to the power 4 plus 3x raised to the power 2. Now let's substitute the value of u into this. We have dy all over dx equals 2x open bracket 4x raised to the power 2 plus 3 all over 2x raised to the power 4 plus 3x raised to the power 2.